The story behind this Polaroid is actually a little crazy. Our friend here, who seems to be the only one sleeping, actually got alcohol poisoning from all the alcohol he drank. We took good care of him, and this is what happened next. Our friends had lost his phone the day after the sleepover. They all gave up and went somewhere else, while Diego and I stayed behind and continued looking for it, and as it turns out, we were able to find it. All we did this summer was hang out with friends, go to the movies, have a campfire, sleepovers, photo shoots, and overall just spend quality time together. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter where you're at, as long as your time is spent with good company. There's no better way to spend your time than like that.
Sí, pero, oh my god, es más fácil digital. Mucho más que aquí. Empieza más motion por el... Dale, dale, tírate.
The hardcore squad.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we got the...
You got a friend in me.
Working, I think.
No, not that one, the middle one.
Oh, hello! Qué bien, hermano.